How to start a food truck in London. So if you're embarking on a journey of starting a food truck business in London, it can both be exhilarating and of course a daunting task. As the culinary capital of the UK, London offers a vibrant and diverse landscape for mobile dining ventures. Now, however, navigating the intricacies of food truck entrepreneurship requires a little bit of planning, strategic foresight, and a little dash of culinary creativity. So let's dive into specifically here on Food Truck Freaks what it will take for you to launch a food truck business in London. We're going to get into that right now. All right, so welcome back to Food Truck Freaks. It's Damian Roberti, founder and CEO of Food Truck Freaks. We actually have numerous food entrepreneurship channels here on YouTube, so this is your first video of mine. You definitely want to go in the descriptions and check out all of our different channels. We have 150,000 subscribers on our big one, Marketing Food Online, which has tons of food truck actual videos, as a matter of fact, about marketing, how to build a food truck, and everything you need to know. So let's dive into specifically London. So number one, concept development. Now, at the heart of every successful food truck venture lies a compelling concept that resonates with the target audience you're trying to reach. So concept development entails crafting a distinctive culinary identity, identifying your target demographics, knowing your customers, by the way, and refining your menu offerings to align with those customer preferences. Now, whether it's gourmet burgers or tacos or vegan bowls, honing in on a unique selling proposition, your USP, that actually sets the stage for your food truck to succeed, no matter where you are, but specifically in London. Number two, market research. So when starting a food truck business in London, conducting thorough market research is essential for you to actually kind of gauge the competitive landscape and identify opportunities and differentiate from those. Analyzing consumer trends, evaluating competitor offerings, those that are already there in London, you want to take a look at what's already out there. And scouting potential parking locations can provide invaluable insights into the viability of your food truck concept. Now, moreover, if you're actually engaging with local communities and gathering feedback can help you kind of refine your idea before you get to launch. All right, number three, starting the food truck business in London's the legal and regulatory compliance. Now, this is where it gets a little tricky and a bit complicated. Navigating the legal and regulatory requirements, of course, is a crucial step in launching a food truck in London. Obtaining that necessary permit and license, such as a street trading license from the local authority and food hygiene certificate from the relevant agencies, is a non-negotiable. You definitely need to do that. Additionally, adhering to health and safety standards and, of course, zoning regulations, parking restrictions, believe it or not. Yes, your food truck actually has parking restrictions, and we're going to dive into that in a minute. It's paramount so you don't avoid getting yourself fines or legal repercussions. Number four, vehicle acquisition, of course, your customization. Now it's time to get the truck. Now, by the way, really quick side note, you don't necessarily need to buy a brand new truck. You can get a used one, retrofit it, or customize it to what you need. Now, selecting the right vehicle is, of course, a pivotal decision that can impact the success of your food truck as a whole. Whether opting actually for retrofitting a van, trailer, or even custom-built truck, factors such as the size, the layout, and equipment must, of course, be carefully considered. Now, collaborating, of course, with a reputable vendor and suppliers to outfit your food truck with the state-of-the-art or good quality used or new products, storage solutions, and branding elements ensure that the operational efficiency of your food truck will be smooth. Now, number five, branding and marketing strategies. Now, building a strong brand presence, of course, is essential to stand out in London's bustling food truck scene. Now, from designing eye-catching logos and a vehicle wrap to develop a cohesive brand identity across digital and offline channels, branding actually plays a pivotal role in attracting and retaining your customers. It's one thing that's actually not thought of too much by a lot of food truck newbies when you're just launching. A lot of times people think that you can just get a food truck, open it up, park it somewhere, and you're going to be successful. It doesn't exactly work that way. Moreover, if you're actually implementing a comprehensive marketing strategy, you have to encompass some type of social media engagement, experiment with marketing activities. Strategic partnerships can even actually amplify your brand visibility and drive foot traffic to your food truck. Now, number six, this is really pivotal. Location scouting and strategy. Strategic location selection in the key most maximizing foot traffic area and generating revenue for your food truck in London. It sounds a little difficult and challenging, but identifying high traffic areas, popular events, and underserved neighborhoods even can inform location scouting efforts can actually help you. Moreover, forging partnerships with local businesses, event organizers, and property owners can actually secure prime parking spots and foster long-term location stability. That means basically bringing your food truck there repeatedly and having regulars come to your food truck all the time. Additionally, leveraging technology platforms such as the food truck booking apps and online directories can streamline much of the location management and enhance your visibility for your customers. Number 7, this is actually really important as well. Operational logistics. Efficient operational logistics are essential, guys, to streamline food truck operations and ensure a seamless customer experience. From menu planning and inventory management to staffing and scheduling, you want to establishing like a robust operational process is critical for your success. Moreover, actually implementing technology solutions such as point of sale systems or mobile ordering apps and even a GPS tracking can optimize efficiency and enhance your customer capabilities. Now, number 8. This is important as well. All of these top 10 things are very, very crucial, but number 8 is really unique because food truck owners don't put a lot of time, especially when they first launch, into customer engagement and feedback. Now, building strong customer relationships, of course, is paramount for any business, but for food truck success in London's competitive culinary landscape, it is paramount. Implementing strategies to engage with customers, you want to solicit feedback and respond to their preferences can actually foster a loyal and drive repeat businesses throughout the day. Now, whether through social media engagement, loyalty programs, or on-site interactions, prioritizing your customer satisfaction is a cornerstone for your food truck's long-term success. Number 9, adaption and innovation. Now, that is something not talked about a lot in food truck industry, but the food truck industry is actually inherently dynamic, requiring adaptability and innovation to actually thrive or succeed. Now, staying abreast as to what consumer trends are, experimenting with new menu offerings, and embracing culinary innovation can keep your food truck ventures relevant and even competitive with other food trucks. Moreover, if you're seizing opportunities for collaborations or seasonal promotions or even pop-up events, can further enhance the brand visibility and revenue generation. Last but not least, number 10, evaluation and iteration. Now, continuous evaluation and iteration are essential for refining and optimizing your food truck operations over time. So, analyzing sales data, soliciting customer feedback, conducting periodic reviews of your business performance can identify areas for improvement and to inform strategic decision making. By remaining agile, of course, and a little bit responsive to your market dynamics, food truck entrepreneurs in London can sustainably grow their ventures and carve out a niche in London's vibrant culinary landscape. So in conclusion, if you're starting that food truck in London, it requires a lot of planning, diligent execution, and a passion for culinary innovation. By following these strategic steps and embracing the challenges and opportunities of mobile dining entrepreneurship, aspiring food truck owners can embark on a rewarding journey towards building a successful and thriving business with your food truck in London. So if you have any questions about your food truck business in London, definitely let us know in the comments down below. And also check out these additional resources for your food truck business. I'll see you on our next video.